wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide.
EasyVid presents the 10 best jumper cables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Willmar W1633 is a great option, particularly for larger trucks, and features attractive red and black clamps for easy identification. The cables are coated with rubber, and it's designed for heavy use, but no storage bag is included. At number 9, safety and power are two perfect words to describe the Capri Tools 21080. These cables are designed to never leave you stranded. They're a very affordable option with 4-gauge thickness, but the quality of the steel clamps isn't great. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the All-Start 564 offers clamps that can take up to 800 amps. It's composed of 2-gauge wire for those heavy jobs. The cables are extra long and it comes with a stylish travel bag. A warranty is available, but you have to request it. To get links to all this stuff and add to this list, search for EasyVid Wiki jumper cables. At number 7, the ABN commercial grade is extremely durable and features high-tension parrot-style clamps that ensure a stable connection. It's designed to be tangle-free, and the clamps are easy to open and close, but the wires and insulation could be better. Moving up our list to number 6, the CalHawk Heavy Duty offers an impressive 25 feet of cable length. These cables also have color-coded handles for extra safety. The clamps work with 12 and 24 volt systems and are flexible in temperatures as low as minus 67 degrees Fahrenheit. However, these cables are not solid copper. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Coleman 08660 is ideal for side and top post batteries. Its polarity labels also glow in the dark, which is helpful at night. They're made in the USA with jaws that are extended for easy fitting. However, the clamp material is not heavy-duty. At number 4, the professional booster cables by Unique Imports have temperature-resistant shielding, are color-coded, and they can take up to 600 amps. They have 25 feet of cable length and are resistant to rust, but the copper-clad aluminum is not top quality. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a 20-foot cord length and capability of taking 500 amps of electricity, the MotorTrend MTP220CCA is ideal for use in any situation. It's PVC lined for protection and is good for use in any type of weather. It's a quick and efficient design. To get links to all this stuff and add to this list, search for EasyVid Wiki jumper cables. At number 2, the Vaulteq 1000276 has ergonomically designed handles for easy connection. Strong copper stranding also makes these cables resistant to tangling. They have high-quality rubber insulation and can withstand extreme temperatures. They're compatible with cars, trucks, and SUVs. And in the top spot on our list, the Forney 52872 is made to be extra sturdy. It features premium copper cable construction and heavy-duty clamps that offer consistent results. It's extremely reliable and flexible and very easy to coil for storage. To get links to all this stuff and add to this list, search for EasyVid Wiki jumper cables.